If you want to use Kraken for DeFi token investments, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, to invest in DeFi tokens or on Kraken, start by selecting from a wide range of available tokens on the platform, such as you have Ethereum, right? Select Ethereum, right? And start trading with it. And select Solana, okay? And select the AV, right? AV from here. Sorry, not AV like this, right? And all of which are part of that decentralized finance ecosystem. While Kraken does not directly provide decentralized finance or DeFi services like yield farming or staking DeFi specific assets directly from a wallet to decentralized exchange, it offers access to popular DeFi tokens which you can purchase, trade, and hold. You can trade these tokens against various fiat currencies. You can use USD, right? You can use, not here, this is for crypto. You could go ahead and click portfolio from the bottom right, and just go ahead and hit deposit right here, and you can use your fiat currency like US dollars, euros, etc., or other cryptocurrencies. And Kraken's platform provides deep liquidity for these trades. If you are looking to engage in a decentralized finance beyond basic trading, you can use Kraken's crypto services to buy and sell assets, and consider leveraging decentralized platforms or Kraken's staking feature. If you want to know more, click the portfolio, click earn, and select the crypto that you want to basically stake to earn rewards on a certain DeFi related tokens. All right, so basically if you want to invest in DeFi tokens on Kraken, just select basically use the ETH, right, and Solana and AV, okay, to basically start trading, buying and selling for trades. All right, and you can stake by clicking portfolio at the bottom right, click earn, and search for AV right here, and as you can see it's not available. And you can select Solana, right, to basically use that decentralized token to basically stake and earn rewards. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.